Seriously?
Get ready for a heartwarming and funny moment as an adorable dog and a baby share an interesting secret conversation that will make your day brighter. This is the kind of Christmas miracle and the mysterious conversation between the boy and his dog.
No, you don't touch my crackers. You took one yesterday. I saw you. You think I forgot? I didn't forget. Don't you at me. Listen, very careful. No snacks, no munching. Okay, that's the rule.
For my dear grannies and cool, I ran out of sugar.
It's amazing what animals can do with humans.
How strong. Can you believe it? I'm strong.
Why is Dad always taking Timmy's side? It's so not fair. That little jerk gets away with everything. I wish he was more like you. And by the way, how can you stand eating the same crap day after day? It tastes disgusting.
No.
They were together, sharing and talking, breathing in the same air that said it all. They talked. The dog said, "Let me out, and then we can talk."
Tell him to sit.
Sit.
Cosmo, sit. Tell him to sit. Okay, he's sitting. Good job.
Hi. Yeah, people. Wait. There.
The everyday conversations between a 2-year-old boy and his dog.
Good. His nose is sticking out. Wait. There. His nose.
He doesn't know how to pet it. Both are too clumsy. No one knows what they said to each other.
And see?
A warm and lovely scene accompanied by their mysterious conversation.
But George is the pizza. Ooh, what's it?
When you tell all your secrets to your dog and it listens.
Oh, there's more. Oh. She does.
He is still jumping and playing with his boy along the entire path. He is trying his best to detach himself from reality.
Is she okay?
The dog asked, "Is she okay? I don't know. Do something." So sweet.
初めて覚えた言葉は、ママでもパパでもなくワンワンでした。
The dog sniffed. That baby is so charming. Even Drax was captivated and whispered together. Oh my God, he is cuddling her. That is one of the greatest signs of love and trust.
Good boy. Good boy. Do it again.
The dog's body language says it all, but both are very adorable. Does anyone know what they said? A lively and bustling, mysterious story.
It's your sister. I mean, it's your brother. No, you don't. No.
Dog toy. You want my toy. They used secret languages. He touched the baby gently, and they might have shared a secret story together.
You need to go outside.
This is the most wonderful dog. It just talks too much.
There's a baby in here. You gotta be quiet. You can't wait for the...
When your pet meets its first two-legged sibling, they have a secret language.
That's your baby. Are you happy?
Okay, but why does this husky sound like a grown man? Responding to the baby's laughter, this husky is almost talking like a human. It finally found someone as loud as itself, clearly imprinting on its new friend. The husky wanted to give this baby all the nibs and tickles it could. You can see the kind of love this dog has for its tiny human.
Dogs and children are born for each other. Both want to play together forever. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with friends. We'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay positive.